In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to Word with Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this particular PDF right here. It's more or less of just a lot of text right there. Let's assume you want to convert it to Microsoft Word document. I'll just open up Adobe Acrobat and just drag and drop my PDF right there. Once I do that, all I need to do is just click on Export a PDF. If you can't see it, just click on All Tools and then click on Export PDF. Then you're going to see Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Image, or other. I want to convert to Doc. Click on that, and then I'll select the Output folder. It's right there, and then I'll click on Save. It's initializing export engine, and once it's done, there we go. Writing file contents. Once it's done, it's going to open up in Microsoft Word. If you look at it, it's like what we have in the PDF document. And that is how you can easily convert PDF documents to Word using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching.